Hey guys, so I'm here at the Martin Apartments here in Spring Valley. I'm gonna go check them out, and then after we're gonna head off to Henderson to go check out a luxury apartment over there. So, but first, let's go check out these apartments.
The fitness center is right through those windows, 24-hour access. We have some showers. We have public restrooms out here through to the right. We also have Amazon lockers.
This right here is a huge plus. And then, is this a storage or just the water heater? Heater.
$130 difference.
Oh my god! And then this is the couch.
Yeah. The only difference is that you probably would have a smaller flat but you would still have this space.
Got it.
And the outlet, of course. This one? Yeah. Oh, this is an alarm panel. So you also get one. It doesn't call like a security company, but it does alert you like if your front door open.
Oh yeah. This is what
The only door you can't open with the fob is this one. We also have a mirror, we have a mirror, so you're able to do like Pilates, aerobics. I love it. No. Right, but I'll just put in a work order some maintenance.
So, like, yeah. Alright guys, so I just toured the Martin Apartments. These were really nice. They were just a little too dark for me, but I think the layout and how much you get for it is pretty freaking cool. Alright guys, and then this is how it looks. This is how big the complex is, which is not big, but it's pretty good. So the Avalon, that's the apartment that I saw. That is 1,212 square feet, which is pretty good. Alright, so the requirements are security deposit is $500, non-refundable administration fee is $200, application fee is $50, so if there's two of you, that's going to be $100. If you have a pet, it is going to be a $250 refundable pet deposit, and she said that she could waive the $250 non-refundable pet fee, which is pretty good if you contact her now and then sign up. That's the special, so it's not bad. And then monthly pet rent is $35, and then weight limits and breed restrictions apply. So the girl that helped me, her name is Jasmin, so definitely go see her. What I think about the neighborhood, you guys, I think it's located in a really good area. It's located in Spring Valley area, and it's in front of Fort Apache, which you've heard me mention that road before. It is a busy road, but let me tell you, once it hits like 7-8 o'clock p.m., it is dead. It's quiet as hell. But not only that, you have a car wash in front of you, you have a hospital, you have petrol station, and you have the Dollar Tree, which is right behind me, and that is right behind the apartments. So I feel like you're located in such a good central area where you have grocery stores, you have fast food restaurants like McDonald's. Up the road you have a park for your dog. It's so freaking cool. Like, this area, I really do like this area. I'm more towards like the IKEA area, but this is where I come most of the time to get like my groceries and stuff like that. All right guys, now let's see how far everything is at from these apartments. Okay, you have a Walmart, which is 6 minutes away, or this one here, which is 8 minutes away. So you pretty much have two very close to this apartment. Target is going to be 10 minutes away. Costco is going to be 14 minutes away. Sam's Club is going to be 8 minutes away. Okay, Smith's is going to be 7 minutes away. Albertson is going to be 11 minutes away. Trader Joe is going to be 12 minutes away. Sprouts is going to be 12 minutes away. Winco is going to be 19 minutes away. Whole Foods is going to be 12 minutes away. The Strip right now is going to be 18 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 23 minutes away. The airport is going to be 16 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 5 minutes away. That's how close you are. And the new Casino Durango, you're going to be 4 minutes away. Living Spaces, you're going to be 17 minutes away. That is the only living spaces that we have here in Las Vegas. And Dollar Tree, you guys, is a 2-minute walk. That is how close you are to the Dollar Tree. Alright guys, so sorry my camera completely died on me. Thank goodness I did how far everything is at super early, but it heated up and then it just died on me, which kudos. But you guys, I really like this apartment. I feel like it's located in the right area. This area is still new. Like, there's so many things still opening up. There's so much land, so a lot of properties are coming up, like KB Homes, Richmond Homes, and you're actually behind one of those cookie cutter homes with these apartments here. And the fact that you're just so close to everything, like the hospital, a car wash, McDonald's, Dollar Tree, Vito Tacos, that is one of me and Richard's favorite place to go to. I just feel like it's located just in the right area, you know, and you're just so close to the freeway, you're close to like the Durango area. Yeah, I just think that it's definitely located in the right place. I do think that the inside of the apartment is just a little bit dark for me. I don't like the brownish cabinets. I think that just makes it look even more like closed, but I think the layout is great. I think the price is great for the fact of what you're getting. You're getting a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a detached garage. Like, you do not hear that here in Vegas, especially in apartments. You do not see that and hear that. It's very rare that you see that, but the fact that it has a garage and it's attached to the apartment and it's so easy access if you are on the first floor. If you're on the second floor, you do have to go downstairs and stuff, but I mean, that's it. That's the only thing, you know what I mean? But other than that, you guys, I just think that this place is really cool. I like it. I'm all for it. I definitely give it an 8 out of 10. The only reason I wouldn't give the 10 out of 10 is just because it just seems a little dark inside and it has like the dark cabinets. But other than that, pretty good. No complaints. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a good thumbs up. I'm feeling 100% myself. I don't have the sinus anymore, which I love. But yeah, I'm feeling definitely back to myself again, which more videos are gonna come. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a good thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. That way, as soon as I upload, YouTube will let you know that I uploaded a video. And I like to do a lot of like apartment tours, obviously just to help anyone out that's moving here in Las Vegas, but I also love to vlog. That way you guys get to know me a little bit better besides just me doing like apartments and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and I will see you in my next apartment tour, which I'm heading there right now. I'm heading to Henderson, so that video will be out either tomorrow or Saturday, and it's a luxury apartment, so keep a lookout for that one. And it's priced pretty well, so keep a lookout on that one you guys, and I will see you then. Thanks for hanging out with me guys. Bye.